how to add Gmail address and set up Gmail account on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can add Gmail accounts on your iPad. Let's dive right in. First things first, what you can do is you can just install the Gmail app from the App Store and just tap on Gmail, and then there you'll find the sign in option on the bottom. You can just tap on sign in and then log into your Gmail account. It's as simple as that. However, there is second method as well. For that, you can go to your iPad settings and then scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, and then on the search bar on the top right, search for mail, uh, and then tap on it, and you'll find the mail accounts option. Tap on it and tap on add account. So here you'll find the various options. Go ahead and tap on Google, and then you'll be prompted to enter your email or your phone number. You can just enter your email address, and then you'll have to put in your password, and that's it. Now the Gmail account will be added to your iPad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.